This are the cosmic clouds in Cygnus. These cosmic clouds of gas and dust drift through rich star fields along the plane of our Milky Way galaxy toward the high-flying constellation Cygnus. They're too faint to be seen with the unaided eye though, even on a clear, dark night. Image data from a camera and telephoto lens using narrowband filters was used to construct this 10-degree wide field of view. The deep mosaic reveals a region that includes star-forming dust clouds seen in silhouette against the characteristic glow of atomic hydrogen and oxygen gas. NGC 6888 is the standout emission nebula near the top. Blown by winds from a massive Wolf-Rayet star, it's about 25 light-years across and known as the Crescent Nebula. A faint bluish curl just below center in the frame is also the signature of a Wolf-Rayet star. Burning fuel at a prodigious rate and near the end of their stellar lives, both stars will ultimately go out with a bang in a spectacular supernova explosion. Toward the right, a massive, young O-type star powers the glow of Shish 2 to 101, the Tulip Nebula.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.